ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു CSEB എക്സാമിന്. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം.
KYC in banking terminology means? Answer C. Know your customer. PIN banking terminology means? Answer B. Personal identification number.
IFSC in banking terminology means?
Answer C. Indian Financial System Code. IFSC കോഡിൽ ടോട്ടൽ 11 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആണുള്ളത്. 11 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ്. RBI was established in which year? Answer D. 1935. RBI Act 1934 RBI എസ്റ്റാബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്ത വർഷം 1935.
Full form of ATM. Answer A. Automated teller machine.
NABARD was established in which year? Answer D. 1982. NPA in banking terminology means? Answer A. Non-performing asset. Where is the headquarters of Asian Development Bank? Answer D. Manila, Philippines. Banking Regulation Act was passed in which year? Answer D. 1949. The registration certificate of a cooperative society is done as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer C. 8. Section 8. The application for registration is submitted by? Answer C. Chief promoters. After obtaining registration, a society starts functioning within? Answer B. 6 months.
A cooperative society is defined in section dash of KCS Act.
Answer C. 2F. Section 2F defines a cooperative society.
The RCS is defined in section dash of KCS Act.
Answer B. Section 3. Special General Body meeting is held as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer D. Section 30 deals Special General Body meeting. Another name of quantitative credit control is dash credit control. Answer A. General credit control. Quantitative credit control also known as general credit control. District level audit officer for a cooperative society is? Answer A. Joint Director. APCOs in Kerala falls under the category of? Answer C. 3-tier. State Cooperative Union was established as per provisions of Section dash of the KCS Act 1969. Answer B, Section 89. The Managing Committee of State Cooperative Union consists of dash members. Answer C, 23 members. Dash is the secretary of the Circle Cooperative Union. Answer D, Assistant Registrar. The Kerala State Cooperative Bank was formed in the year. Answer B, 1956. Cooperation has failed, but it must succeed. Expressed by Answer A, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee, headed by A.D. Gorwala. In Kerala, there are dash ICDP projects. Answer C, 5 ICDP projects. ICDPയുടെ full form Integrated Cooperative Development Project. Integrated Cooperative Development Project. Custodian of Professional Education Fund is A, Registrar of Cooperative Society. The chairman of NABARD is appointed by Answer B, Government of India. The first Students' Cooperative Society at Answer A, Amritsar. Scheduled bank means Answer C, bank included in second schedule of RBI Act 1934. The country with the largest number of membership of cooperative societies in the world. Answer A, India. The first marketing society in India was at Answer B, Hubli. Dash societies are also called distributive societies. Answer C, consumer societies. Consumer societies are also called distributive societies. Thrift fund is created by dash society. Answer A, Handloom Weavers Society. Second Cooperative Societies Act in India came into force on Answer A, 1912.
RBI was nationalized in? Answer B, 1949.
One village, one society was the recommendation of the committee headed by Answer A, Malcolm Darling.
DV file is maintained by dash type of societies. Answer B, Agriculture and Rural Development Bank. Dash is the National Federation of Dairy Cooperatives in India. Answer A, NCDFI. Loss of goods by fire may be. Answer B, credited to trading account. Interest on capital is. Answer A, credited to capital account. The purchase day book is also called. Answer D, creditors ledger.
The present cooperative principles were accepted and came into force in the year. Answer B, 1995.
Who is the author of the book Fundamentals of Cooperation? Answer A, S.S. Puri. The term lead link scheme related to dash type of societies. Answer D, consumer societies. Credit creation depends upon. Answer B, CRR, cash reserve ratio. Bank is a factory of. Answer B, credit. Bank is a factory of credit. Dash banks are also known as investment banks. Answer C, industrial banks. Investment banks also known as industrial banks. One man, one vote principle was recommended by. Answer A, McLagan.
Rural debentures were issued with a view to. Answer B, mobilize rural savings.
Bank holidays are prescribed in Dash Act. Answer C, Negotiable Instrument Act. Banks without any branches is called Dash Bank. Answer C, Unit Bank.